Hi friends, welcome back to CADable. This is Engineer Ibrahim Omer, and today I'll show you how to create stairs in Blender using Bevel Tool without modeling individual steps. And this method is quick and effective, especially when you are looking a more efficient workflow. So let's start. So let's go to here Blender. Here you can see I'm using Blender 4.4, but if you are using a below version of Blender or a future version of Blender, you can still follow this tutorial. So first of all, I will delete all these objects. Press X to delete. Okay. Now I will press Shift A. I'll go to here Mesh and I will apply a cube. Also, I will check this box, Cavity. Basically, Cavity is used to enhance the appearance of the edges. Now I will change this to Edit mode. And here you can see we have three types of selections: Vertex, Edge and Face. I will select Edge selection and I will select, let's say, this edge. I will press Ctrl B. Ctrl B is for Bevel Tool, like we use chamfer in like SolidWorks. I will go to the properties of Bevel and I will increase the number of segments to, let's say, 16. Okay. Now I will go to here profile type and I will choose custom instead of super ellipse. And I will change this from preset to, let's say, default loops. And here you can play around with these parameters. And I will change this to this one, or maybe this one, but I need this one, steps. And here you can see your stair with steps. I will close this. I will go to object mode. So that concludes this exercise, and still if you have any question, any query related to this tutorial or any other tutorial in my list, you can ask in comment section. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting projects. I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.